Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong baka jingpenher jongka Indian Space Research Organization yau CHANDRAYAAN-3 siyaw benai kan long ka Jingsarong yaki nongsong kari India. Ulaong ru baga ri India kadai kari ke Basaw, hadien ka Soviet Union, ka US, bat ka China, ki balala ban le yo kejat hau benai, hadien ki jing persyang ki ba bat ki ba juat.
Well, it is a very, very proud moment for every Indian, and I'm no different. And obviously, I think we all will be very proud once it lands. We have to also understand that we will be the only fourth nation in the entire world that would have successfully landed in the moon, and we will be the first to have landed in the southern part of the moon. So therefore, this will be a big step for India, and a very strong message at the international level about the overall seriousness of India, about the capacity of India, and that India is now among those top countries that has got technology to send a mission to the moon.